Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Kat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I put this bulletin board up, only using command strips. So let's begin the video. First step, grab some rubbing alcohol and a rag. You pour some rubbing alcohol onto the rag. You want to wipe down the wall on both sides. I'm going to be using today to hang up my bulletin board. These are renter-friendly, damage-free, and they're easy to install. In this package, you will receive 1, 2, 3, 4 strips. Separate the 2 strips. Then press the 2 strips together until they click. You want to do the same thing to all 3 of them. Now that I have it back on, now it's time to put it up. It's pretty easy. Find the spot where you want it, and then you want to press it down. And these are pretty easy to take off. So you take this little flap, and that's that easy. There it is, and it's that simple. And I hope this helps you out, and for more tips like this, check out my other videos on command hooks. Until then, bye for now.